Hey guys, Scott here from the Volunteer Firefighter Podcast, DTFF. We're going to talk about some tourniquets today because we mentioned it a lot on our podcast and Stop the Bleed. So, tourniquets, pretty simple, really ancient type of technology. When you have a tourniquet though, you should always have a training tourniquet, not just a one on your kit, because when you train with it, you shouldn't be using the one you have in your kit to train because it could stretch it and possibly could cause it to break. So one thing, after you train with these tourniquets, they will actually look sort of like this. They kind of get a little bumpy. So you actually want to stretch them out, get them back into shape, because there's a little ribbon inside, and that's what makes a tourniquet cinch down on the artery. So to actually apply the tourniquet, we're going to have it set up such a way like this. You want to be able to grab the windlass. This is the windlass here. You want to be able to snap it out. Should open it up. And then when you apply the tourniquet, say if my injury was on my arm here, I'm going to come up over my arm. And you always want to think about pulling the strap to your midline. So you're going to pull it midline, tighten it down as much as you can. Because this is really where the application of the tourniquet is important. When you pull it down as tight as you can, you don't have to wrap the windlass as much. So a couple good turns. I'm only gonna go one down, bring the strap over, and then bring the time strap over. And that locks it into place. Once you get that, you write time on there. I have training written on there just so I know it's my training tourniquet. If I wasn't to do that and I just end up doing this, there's a potential as the person's moving around or getting drugged somewhere, this could actually open up and loosen off, and then the blood would flow again. So training with tourniquets, it's important. It's an easy skill, but definitely practice a lot of them, because when the time comes, you're going to be in a little bit of a stressful situation, so you should train on it.